and we'll try to cover up this whole thing in two lessons, or we'll try to do this today. Okay. All right. It will be better for sure. I'll try my best. I give you guys the concept, and you can try that on your own. But there's so many different concepts. This is literally a detailed topic. Okay. So okay. First of all, there is an origin that's called O, the center point. Okay. If this is the point P, okay. So position vector of P is going to be OP. What is a position vector? Position vector is a vector which shows the position of a particular point from that certain point from the origin. So this OP is basically the position. In vectors, I draw an arrow like this. Okay. So this OP is basically the position vector. Okay. Vectors are represented by their components like this 1 and 2. So that means this vector is having x component 1 and y component 2. Okay, let's suppose this is vector OP. I want to find the magnitude, like how big is the line. So it's really easy. I'm going to put an under root and I'm going to square them like this. Okay, so that's going to give me 1 plus 4 and that's 5. Simple. So this is the magnitude of the vector. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me give you some simple questions. So position vector is basically the vector. Saad beta, can you just give a reminder to that guy? What's his name? Ayan Shahzain and the other one. So yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Note down everything. Then we're going to move.
Done.
Okay. P equals to 4 minus 2 and Q equals to minus 1 and 3. Work out 3P minus Q. So what you're supposed to do, you have to multiply the whole vector P by 3, both the members. Okay. So let us first find 3P. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6. Okay, this is 3P. And I have to subtract this from Q. So 3P minus every member of Q. Okay, so minus another minus, 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 okay, minus 3. So that is going to give me 12 plus 1 is 6. Minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. So the final, you're not going to put like this, the equals to sign. You're going to write down below. Okay. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, find this one, please. So what is the value of 3a? All of you must participate in the class. Speak up. 9, there's no upon, okay? There's just one after the other. No dash. 9 and 15. Okay. Next.
सर मैं भी 9 and 15 आ गया.
Alright, that's great.
-2 नहीं होगा. 11 -2.
11 and -2. These are your 2 markers. Ayan, beta, we started vectors.
Okay, sir.
For n plus n will be 2 and 4. For 3n will be -9 and 18.
-9 and 18. Very good. Perfect.
Sir, I don't understand the second one.
Second one, which one? This one?
No, sir, the under it.
Under it, that a minus 2b.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, what you're going to do, you have to times all the members of b by 2. A minus 2b. So let us first find 2b. So 2b is going to be -2 and 10. Isn't it? Then
Yes.
a minus 2b. So it's 4 minus minus plus. Okay, minus minus plus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Adjacent with adjacent one. And -3 and -10. Okay. So it's 6 and -13. Okay. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
हेलो सर.
Yes.
सर आप ये एक दफ़ा दोबारा समझाएंगे?
तुम देर से क्यों आ, पहले ये बताओ.
सर देर से मुझसे ज़री सी मिसकैलकुलेशन हो गई थी. आई एम सॉरी. मैं एक्चुअली काम कर रहा था और मुझे याद नहीं था कि इस टाइम पे क्लास होगी और मेरा फ़ोन कमरे में पड़ा हुआ था.
ओके. और अगर रोजे में सर को परेशान करोगे तो गुना कितना मिलेगा, इसका कौन जवाब देगा?
सर मैं ही दूंगा.
अच्छा, तुम भी जवाब दोगे.
अच्छा एक्चुअली मेरे जहन में था कि कुरान क्लास के बाद ही क्लास होगी, तो
Okay,
इसलिए
no
मैं
worries.
दूसरी चीज़ों में लगा हुआ था।
No problem. Just kidding. Be here.
तो
For
सर
instance, okay. Yes. Hmm. Yeah, 1:30 is, yeah, exactly. Exactly. That's going to be the time. We won't be taking it one. One is not possible, by the way, okay? Because the kids are coming from school, they're on their way, there's traffic. Okay. So Ayan, if we just go into this question like 3a and a minus b. So what we are going 3a means all the members of a are to be multiplied with 3, and a minus b is a is to be subtracted with b. Look here, I've just done this. 3p minus q. So first I have multiplied p with 3, both the members. Can you see this?
यस सर।
And once I've got this, so I'm like the 3p minus q. So it's 3p minus and q. Getting? 3p
यस सर।
minus and minus the adjacent ones with adjacent ones. The same thing we are taking over here. Okay. Another very important question. Zainab, beta, are you getting the same answers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Find AC. Oh, how are you going to find AC? So AC is basically AB plus BC. AB plus BC is AC. Okay. How comes? If the middle ones are same, okay. So this is the thing. AB, this is A, this is B, okay, and then BC. So if I just, so this is AC, okay. We all know about the head to tail, okay. So AC is going to be AB plus BC. So AB is 3 minus 1 plus minus 5 and 4, okay. So the center one should be the same. Like B and B gets cancelled out, and you're going to have A and C. So I'm getting 3 minus 5 and minus 1 plus 4. So my final answer is negative 2 and 3. Yes, my students, is this clear to all of you? 100% clear? Great. Okay. Now they're asking me to find CA. This is even easier. You just have to flip the signs. That's it. Flip the signs. 2 and minus 3. That's it. Okay? And for this, you're getting 1 mark. Yeah, is it clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Clear? Good. Next question. We'll quickly jump to the main topic. I'll just make you practice this quickly and then. Because in your paper 2 now, this is going to be a very important thing. So, okay. Quickly do this. I think so. Okay, these are just the basics.
My answer is negative 15 and 21.
Negative 2 and?
No, negative 15 and 21.
Okay, so first 3AC. 3AC is going to be negative 15 and 0 because it's 0. 3 zeros are 0. Okay? So AB is 3 and negative 3 plus negative 15 and 0. Okay? So it should be negative 12 and negative 3. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more. O is origin. OA equals to 2x plus 3y. BA equals to x minus 4y. Find position vector of B. So this is very important and really easy. So I just told you in the beginning of the class that if we're supposed to find the position vector of B, so that is basically going to be OB, isn't it? There's going to be
Yes, sir.
OB. So what we need to do here is that we have to find OB. So we have got OA and BA. Okay, I need to find OB. So OB is basically starting from O. Okay, that's fine. OA. But if I add BA into it, so these are not the same. They cannot be added. So what I need to do, can I even make the expression? Zainab, will you make the expression for this? How are we going to write? I need to find OB.
AO plus
No. OB, starting from O.
O. So OA plus AB.
OA plus AB. Very good. Now, yes, okay. So can I write this as column vector? Can I write this vector? Yes, we can. 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3. And that is 1 and minus 4. But the problem is that there is BA. Okay, there is BA. And BA is 1 and minus 4. So can anyone tell me what's AB going to be? Okay, this is 1 and that was minus 4. So for AB, I have to flip the signs. Negative 1 and 4. Yes, is this clear to all of you or not?
Clear, sir.
So I'm getting 1 and 7. This was a 2-mark question, okay? Have a note of this, please. The class recording is there, so all of you will get that as well.
सर मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आया कि हम बी ए क्यों नहीं यूज कर सकते हैं
Because the middle ones should be the same. Okay, for OB, OA plus AB. So I have to flip BA. BA was, look here, x minus 4y ka matlab hai that this is 1, okay? So I can write this as a column vector 1 and minus 4. This was BA. So for AB, I have to flip it. All right. Is your students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now we're heading towards the real thing, okay? So just be with me and try to learn out. It's easy, it's not difficult. I've got like 6 or 7 different examples and we'll be going on to all of them and then you guys will be able to solve them. Okay, so just give me a while. Okay. Example number 1. So we've got 6 examples which we'll be covering and then you guys will be able to solve most of the questions related to this. Okay, we have to do a few questions that is finding the position vector. We have to show that the two vectors are parallel. Okay, and there are so many different things, but like the examples we're going to do, so that's going to cover most of the questions that might be asked. So be with me. Okay, so what is a position vector? Position vector is basically a vector which is showing the position of that point from O. So if they ask us to find the position vector of P, that means we have to find OP. Okay? Okay, let's start. So AB equals to 5, 3. CB equals to minus 2, 4. They want me to find AC. Okay. And once we find AC, find the magnitude of AC. This is the magnitude. How are we going to find AC? AB. So AC is going to be like start from A. So AB, okay, that's fine. Starting from A. And then flip it out. BC. Nice. Very good. So AB is 5, 3 plus shift the signs. It's 2 and minus 4. Okay, if CB was minus 2, 4. So we just reverse the signs. Very good, Amar. Shabash. So that's going to be 5 plus 2, 3 minus 4. Okay. So that's coming out to be 7 and minus 1. Is that clear to all of my kids?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, if they want us to find the magnitude, so how are we going to find the magnitude? You just write like this. Have the square root sign and 7 squared plus minus 1 squared. Okay. You will not have any minus sign because it's squared. So there's no subtraction in the root. 749 plus 1, 50. That's your answer. You get 2 marks for this. Easy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Okay. This is the symbol for magnitude. Okay. The value, the length. Okay. This is the symbol for magnitude, and this is for vector. That vector AC has a magnitude or the length of under root 50. Okay. This was question number 1. If any of you is facing any troubles, just let me know. Okay, the appearing students is really important for you. So let me know, please. So this is one of the question that is having so many concepts in it, and hopefully you learn a lot from this. Okay, so there is a parallelogram that is called P, S, R, and Q. And there is a point N over here as well. They have given us the value of PS. Okay, PS is A, is B. So that means if I'm taking SP, it should be minus B. Isn't it? The length or the value of PS is B. Okay, so if we are having SP, it should be minus B. And the value of PQ is A. So if it is QP, it should be minus A. Okay, all right, getting or not? Okay, so what information they have given us is PQR is the parallelogram. It's a parallelogram. Number 1. N is point on SQ such that Sn is to NQ equals to 3:2. PQ is A, PS is B, write expression for vector SQ in terms of A and B. This is the first part. Number 2, express NR in terms of A and B. So my dear students, the first thing we need to do is to find out, okay, if it is a parallelogram, so we know that the sides that are opposite to it are also going to be the same. For instance, if PS is B, then QR is also B. Okay, because it's parallelogram. And if it's PQ is A, so SR is also A. Done? Okay. The next information they have given is that Sn to the ratio NQ is 3 upon 2. What does that mean? Okay. For instance, there is a line SQ and there is a point N which cuts it in the ratio 3:2. So that means Sn, this part is 3 upon 5 and that part is 2 upon 5. The total parts are 5, out of which, okay, so I can say that Sn is 3 upon 5 of SQ, okay, and NQ is 2 upon 5 of SQ, okay. So 3 over the total parts, 2 over the total parts. Yes, Ali beta, is that clear to you? Ali तुम हो मीटिंग में? ठीक है भाई. हाँ जी, ज़ैनब समझ आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ali सो तो नहीं गया कहीं?
Sir, he's not in the meeting.
He is not in the meeting. Oh. ठीक हो गया? What we have to do? We have to find an expression for SQ in terms of A and B. SQ. So we have to consider a triangle in which we have some known values. SQ. Okay. So can anyone make a root for SQ? SQ. SQ is this one. SQ. So I have to take a vector which starts from S. So it's going to be, can I say that SQ is going to be SP plus PQ? Isn't it? Isn't it? SP plus PQ. The first one is S and the last one is Q. So I have got the values of both of them. SP, I know this, okay? And I know this, okay? So just look here. I go all the way like this. I added the tip to the tail and go all the way like this, okay? And then I draw this, so I'm going to have this, okay? But the problem is that I have got PS, which is B. So no worries, I can just switch the value. So that is going to be, okay? So if PS is B, so SP is going to be? Good. And PQ is A. So that's my answer. Okay, so SQ is A minus B. This was for 2 marks. Okay, the first thing. Easy peasy. The next thing that they ask us is to find NR, and NR is to be expressed in the form of A and B. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, you guys are going to do is to join these two lines. Okay, NR. All right, so now we've got like NR is a part of, it can be a part of two different triangles. One is this one, and the other one could be this one. Okay, so you can go either way, it's your choice. Okay, so if I choose this one, so I have to figure out the value of this. Okay, and if I choose this one, so I have to figure out the value of this. That's easy. Okay, so let's make an expression for SQ and NR. So NR is going to be equals to starting from N. Okay, so NR can be NQ plus QR, isn't it? Okay, or there can be another choice. NR is going to be equals to NS plus SR. Both of them. Okay. So now we just need to find out roughly that what is the value of for instance, I'm doing this one. This one seems to be more easier. So NQ is going to be, both are the same. NQ is 2 upon 5 of SQ. Okay. So NQ is of 2 upon 5 of SQ. So that is basically going to be NQ equals to 2 upon 5 A minus B. Is that clear? So just plug in the value to
Yes, sir.
5 A minus B. And QR. QR all the way up. Okay, so it's B. We are going in that direction. So it's B. Okay, that's B. Now open up the brackets. 2 upon 5A minus 2 upon 5B and plus B. Okay. So 2 upon 5A minus 2 upon 5 plus 1. Okay, so I'll show you how to do this directly. 5 ones are 5, okay, and minus 2. So it's 3, 3 upon 5. Is this clear to you or not? Okay, 5
Clear.
ones are 5, minus 2. So it's going to be a positive 3 over 5b. So you can take 3 upon 5 common. No, you can take 1 upon 5. Okay. Okay, so this was a 3 marker and it was very easy. Understood, all of you? Okay. Right now, I'd like you to take screenshots because we have short time. So you can take screenshots so that I can do like 2 or 3 more questions. Is this clear to all of you? Let me ask you one by one because, okay, who's left in the meeting? Ayan, clear? Saad, Zainab, Umar, Medni, all clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Great. This was one of the simplest question, okay? Omar will share the video recording so that you can recap it. Okay.
अच्छा सर हेलो
जी जी बोलें.
सर मुझे शार्प 3 मिनट का ब्रेक मिल सकता है मुझे बस नमाज पढ़नी है
Yes, for sure.
ठीक है सर मैं बस 3 मिनट में आया
It was like 2 and 3 5 mark, the whole thing. Can anyone check on Shazil? Why is not there in the class? Okay, let me.
ठीक है.
OAB is a triangle. OA equals to A. OB equals to B. Find AB in terms of A and B. P is point on AB such that okay. So first of all, we have to find AB in terms of A and B. So AB. Can anyone make the expression for AB?
A plus B.
AB is going to be yes. The whole expression I want to like the. No. I first want you guys to write down the expression like AB. How are we going to get AB? AB can be
AO
AO,
plus
AO,
OB.
OB, OB. Yes. Okay. So AO, I have to go the other way. Okay, because this is OA is A. So AO is going to be negative A, and OB is B, negative A plus B, or I can say that AB is B minus A. First thing, okay? Now the next part is for more marks, so you have to work on it and just be with me. Okay? So the next part says you have to find the value of OP in terms of A and B. So first of all, join OP and see what are we getting. OP is this. The next thing they have given us is the ratio. AP is to BP, 3 is to 1. This ratio is very important, okay? AP is 3 upon 4 of the whole length AB. Isn't it? Isn't it? Or I can say this is 3 upon 4 of B minus A. And BP, the other part is 1 upon 4. This ratio is 1, and the total parts are 3 plus 1, 4. So it's 1 upon 4 of the whole length AB. Okay? Or I can write it A 1 upon 4 of B minus A. Okay? I repeat, this whole length from here till here has been cut by a point P. And this point is divided this whole into two parts. One is PA, which is 3/4 of this whole line, and one is 1/4 of this whole line. And because usually they make you calculate the whole length in the previous part. This is a trend. Like you see, they've asked you to find AB previously. So now you know the values of AP and BP. Okay, so I have to find OP. So you guys are going to make expression for OP. Okay, think about it. Yeah, what is going to be the value for OP? OP. So OP can I say OB, OA plus AP. Okay, OA. Yes, exactly. So Omar is saying OA plus AP. Yeah, that works. Exactly, that works. Or there is another way for OP, and that's going to be OB. I go all the way up and then PP. So when the middle two are same, that means we can get that. Okay. So either one you can choose. I'm doing the first one, but Omar has told us. OA, you're going to get the same answer. OA. Okay. So OA is A. This one. OA is A because we are going from O to A. If it was AO, so it was have been minus A. OB. We are doing this one. Okay. So OA plus AP. So AP is okay. The problem is that this value for that, yeah, this was for AB. I'm going okay. This one was for AB, so I'm doing the right thing. Okay, so 3 upon 4 B minus A. You are not going to leave the answer like this. You're going to simplify it fully. So it's going to be A plus 3 over 4 B minus 3 over 4 A. Okay, so A can be simplified. It's 1 minus 3 over 4 A. So 4 ones are 4 minus 3 over 4 A. So it's going to be 1 over 4 A. Okay, so OP is coming up to be 1 over 4 A plus 3 over 4 B. Or you can take 1 upon 4 common. So you're going to have A plus 3B. Yes, Zainab beta, is that clear to you or not? I just added the A's together and I just separate, like put aside B. A minus 3 upon 4A. So A is 1 minus 3 upon 4. It's simple. So it's 4 ones are 4 minus 3 over 4. Alright, we're moving on. Zainab, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
100%?
But sir, I have one question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
If for like the final answer, you put it in bracket as well. If I don't do that and I just write the first one, will I still get one?
That's fine.
सर से आपने क्लास ज्वाइन किया से इनविटेशन बंदे आने
अस्सलाम वालेकुम
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. अभी थोड़ा सा we have some time.
सर जी
Don't जी सर.
सर जी टाइम चेंज हो गया क्लास का.
Obviously.
सर जी क्या टाइम है मुझे तो पता ही नहीं है. मैं तो समझा नॉर्मल.
आप ग्रुप में आप एक्टिव तो रहें, अब देखें तो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन द क्लास.
सर एक मिनट सर. सर जी मेरे पास सर मैसेज डाला है, मैंने नहीं देखा. तब 2:30 को क्लास शुरू होगी आंदा के बाद.
Yes.
ओके सर ठीक है. सर 2:30 ठीक है.
Keep considering all of you, considering all of the students from from KSA, from Dubai, from Sharjah, all of you, okay? So that all of you can join. Recapping will be very difficult, okay, for the ones who have just joined because we have done so many things. So you get the class recording. Yeah, please. Yeah, please do share, okay? Yes. Class will be extended, like it's going to be like I have to cover this whole topic today. Definitely. Either we'll be going for linear programming or we'll be doing differentiation. I prefer linear programming, and then we can go for. Okay, look at this question. So this question says OAYB is a quadrilateral. It's quadrilateral, it's not parallelogram. So just don't make the other side 6B as well, okay? You can only make it the same when it's a parallelogram, so the parallel sides are equal. Okay, this is not the case in this one. Okay, so OAYB is a quadrilateral. OA is 3A, and OB is 6B. Okay? Express AB in terms of A and B. YB they haven't given as well. They haven't given. Oh, okay. This one they have given. Yep. I thought you're talking about Y. Okay? X is a point. This is a very important question. Believe me, this can be there for 4 mark or 5 mark as well.
सर ये कौन सा टॉपिक
X
है?
is point vectors. You are going to study that next year probably. This is for the appearing students. You just be with us in the class. See the recording. You will understand everything. Saad, are you getting?
Yes, sir, I'm able to understand.
Able to understand. That's great. This is part A, okay? And for part B, okay. So the first thing says express AB in terms of A and B. Okay. So my dear students, we know that there are a few vectors which have been given to us like OA, OB, and BY or YB. So I have to make an expression from AB. Okay. I want your participation. How can we make an expression for AB? Ziad, if you know, you can just let us know as well. Yes, AB. AB.
Is it like AO plus OB?
Oh, great. Very good. Okay. AO plus OB. Very nice. And what we need to do, because we have been given this is OA. So if I are taking AO, so I have to I have to flip the sign. Okay. So it's going to be negative 3A plus 6B. Okay. Or I can say AB is 6B minus 3A. Okay. So this is my answer. This was for 1 mark. Okay. I've got it. Now the next part. Next part, there is a point X. Okay. The point X lies over here. And again, the ratio thing. So what they're saying, X is a point on AB such that AX is 1, okay? AX is 1 of the 3 part, okay? 1/3, 2 parts over here. And this is 2/3, okay? So this is 2/3 of AB, okay? And this is 1/3 of AB. And my dear students, you can see that they have already made us find the value of AB, okay? So let us try to figure out what we are getting as, okay, so AX is 1/3 of AB. So let us divide both by 3. So AX is coming out to be 2B minus A. Okay? Do this as a rough work, okay? And BX, okay, because we are moving all the way upwards, okay? This is AB. AB we have found that. So BX is going to be again 2 over 3, 6B minus 3A. So this is 3 twos are 2 twos are 4, 4B, 3 gets cancelled, 2A. This is the value of BX. So we have just calculated this. Okay. Nextly, what we have to prove, we have to find the value of OX, and this equals to 2 upon 5 OY. Okay, we have to prove this. This is a 4 to 5 mark question. How we are going to do that? The first thing we are going to do is to make an expression for OY. Yes. What is the possible way we can make an expression for OX and OY? First, let's make for OY. OY. Yes.
OA plus.
But we don't know the value of AY. So why are you keeping yourself in trouble? Why don't we go the other? Plus BY. Yeah, that makes more sense, isn't it? OB plus BY. So OB is 6B and BY is BY. Okay, we are in the direction. So 5A minus B. So that gives us 5A minus 5B. No, 5A plus 5B. Is it clear? Okay. Now let's try to make an expression from OX, because this is what we are going to prove. Okay. So we just take 2 upon 5 common, we get that. Okay. So OX. Yes, please. Make it OB plus BX. Okay. OB plus BX. Yes. Okay. Okay. All right. So OB is going to be 6B because we are moving from bottom to top. And for BX, I have to reverse the signs. Okay. Because so because this is BX and I have to this is XB, by the way. AX, sorry, this is XB. Okay. This was not BX. This was X to B. Isn't it? I'm moving like this now. I'm moving like this from A to B. So this is not BX. Yeah, it is XB. So if I'm just going to add BX, so OB upwards and then BX downwards. So reverse the signs. So it's going to be plus 2A and minus 4B. Getting? 2A, 2A plus 2B. Great. All right. Okay. So can I say that OX over OY is equals to 2 upon 5? This is what you're going to prove, isn't it? Like if I just swap that OY from here. Okay. The question. So OX, I can take 2 common, and OY, I can take 5 common. Oh, yes. Yes. Proved. Oh, bingo. Got it? No. I just took. We have to prove that OX upon OY equals to 2 upon 5. Who's clear? Raise your hands, please. Okay. Good. Good. No problem. So yeah, I was expecting this from you. Thank you. This one is the most important of all the questions. The one we are doing right now. OAB is a triangle. Okay. So they have given us OA is equals to 5A and OB equals to 2B.
सर जी
Yes. T is point on AB.
सर जी मुझे थोड़ा ज्योमेट्री थोड़ा मुश्किल लगता है साइन रूल को साइन रूल विद बेयरिंग और एरिया ऑफ नॉन राइट ट्रायंगल तो फिर हम वो अगली क्लास में कर सकते हैं क्योंकि फिर मेरा एग्जाम मंडे को है अगले मंडे को
Sure, we can.
ओके सर
और आपने क्लास रिकॉर्डिंग देख ली है सारी? आपने क्लास रिकॉर्डिंग देखी? आपको मैंने पूरा रिकॉल करवाया है ना वाला टॉपिक?
सर मैंने
साइन रूल हम लोगों ने दो क्लासेस की हैं उसके ऊपर। जी, ये पूरा टॉपिक मैंने रिकैप करवाया है।
सर मैं देख लूँगा
बल्कि अभी तो पढ़ा है ये, बिल्कुल नहीं।
मैं था ही नहीं क्लास में यार मुश्किल होता है आता ही नहीं क्या
I'll
करूँ
make you do that. First watch the videos and then tell me, okay?
ओके
Because you were there in the class. Okay. Another very important question, guys, be with me. So this one is like to prove that a vector is parallel to another vector. Okay. How we are proving the two vectors are parallel to another vector? So if OB, let's suppose OB is parallel to OC. Okay. So I can say that if the value of OA is A, let's suppose, okay, and this is B. So if there is a constant which is multiplied, so these two lines are parallel. What I mean to say that they are parallel when they have the same values but multiplied with a constant. So I have to show that these two vectors are equal, but one of them will be multiplied with a constant. Okay. So let me do this. First thing is that I don't have to find anything, okay? Like I just have to show that OT is parallel to the vector. So OT is basically, okay, OT. So OT is this one. What they have given us is about AT and TB. So AT is 5/6 of AB. And TB, because we are moving downwards, okay? And TB is 1/6 of AB. Okay. Can we find AB? Okay, make the expression for AB quickly. AB is equals to, very good. So AO is going to be negative 5A because we are moving downwards. And OB is 2B. Okay. Now let's try to figure out the value of AT and BT. Okay. So AT is 5/6 of 2B minus 5A. Okay. So I can simplify it and then it becomes 10B, or like 2 ones are 2 3s are. So it's going to be 5/3B minus 25/6A. Okay. This is AT, and TB is 1/6 of AB. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So it's going to be A/3 minus, sorry, B/3. Okay. Now what we need to do, okay, so these are the values we have got for AT and, okay, so are we getting anything common? Let's try to take commons as well because it will be quite common. Okay. So make an expression for OT. Okay, let's make an expression for OT. OT equals to, yes,
OA
OAN AT. Okay. OA and AT. So do I have the value of OA? Yes, I do have. It's 5A. What is the value of AT? 5/3. So 6 5s are 30. 30 minus 25 is 5A. Okay. 5A over 6 plus 5B over 3. That's OT. Okay. Is it clear or not? Can I take something common? Can I take something common? Okay, so I can take common, that is 5 over 6. Okay. I've taken 5 common from the numerator and 6 common from the denominator. Okay, in denominator, you always take the bigger number common. So I'm left with A. I'm left with A plus 2B. 2B. Yep. Because 6. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Exactly. Exactly. It is parallel because the vector is there and a constant term is there. Okay. This was another 5 marker. Okay. Please have a note of this. Okay. Done. One more question to go. Yeah, that's basically that is proving that it is parallel. Constant. Okay, dear students. Last question. I've summarized the whole this topic today. Okay. Just let's quickly do this. And 2 more questions from the latest papers I would like to tell. Zainab beta, can you recall which papers we were doing that day? Were they
We did.
just go to the latest papers?
Yeah, sir. I'll look through it.
Yes, please. They are the latest papers, by the way, like summer 24 or winter 24 papers, and where we did that similar triangle thing. So they have given us OA equals to 6A, OB equals to 6B, M is midpoint, of AB. Write OM in the form of A and B. That's the first question. And then N is midpoint of OB. G is point on OM such that OG is to GM 2:1. Show that a very important question. My dear students, the first thing, how we prove that a line is a straight line. Look here. For instance, there is a line AC. So there's a point B on it. How can we say that AC is a straight line? Can anyone tell me that ABC is a straight line? Anyone? So AB plus BC should be equals to AC. If this is satisfying, that means we have done the right thing and it's a straight line. Okay? So this is the way we prove that the points make a straight line. Is it clear? Okay. So first part is okay. So they've given us some values and they have like make some ratios as well. So we just need to figure out that thing as well. So the
सर
first thing is that
सर मेरी
yes.
कुरान क्लास स्टार्ट हो रही है.
Okay, you may leave.
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
But we have our regular classes this time. Is n the midpoint? M is the midpoint. Okay. So this is half and half. The other thing is n. N is a point. N is the midpoint of OB. These are showing that they are equal. So if this whole OB is 6B, okay, then this is 3B and this is 3B. Okay. All right. The other thing they have given us is that ratio OG. So OG is we're going downwards now. OG is 2:1 now, so it's 2/3 of OM, and GM is 1/3 of OM, the whole length. Okay. The first thing we have to find OM. Yes, who is going to tell what's OM going to be? OB plus BM. But we don't know the value of AB as well. First, let's find AB. First, let's find AB. Okay, make an expression from AB. So AB is going to be, yes, AB. So AB can be OA. No. AO plus OB. So AO is going to be negative 6A because we are moving from bottom to top. And OB all the way downwards. Okay. So it's a plus 6B. So what are we getting? Yeah. So can I take 6 common? So it's going to be B minus A. Okay. That simplifies our work. Okay, just leave it. Don't do this. Okay. Yeah. So AB is going to be 6B minus 6A. Okay, that's the first thing. Okay. Now, okay, I have to find OM by the way. Okay, so OM is okay. So either can I find AM or MB? AM. So AM is 1/2 of, isn't it? So that's going to be 3B minus 3A. Yeah, that one as well. That one as well. Either you can do both the ways, okay? I'm making OM. So OM is OM. So OM is OA plus AM. Or you could have done the other way, okay? Like you could have done OB plus BM. They are the same thing. You get the same answer. So OA is 6A because we are going from top to bottom. AM, we just calculated AM, okay? And that is the half of AB. So we're getting 3B minus 3A. So we've got OM. And that is 6 minus 3 is 3A plus 3B. Okay, so this is OM. All right, first thing. Now I need to, okay, my dear students, I have to prove that AGN is a straight line. So let us produce AGN all the way now. It's a straight line. So if it's a straight line, okay, this is a straight line, so it should be AN equals to, or I can say AG. Okay, let's try to figure out what is AG. Let's find AG. AG is AM so it's AM plus MG. Okay, AM plus MG. Okay, AM I already know. What is AM? 3B minus 3A. And MG, we can just figure out MG. So MG is going to be OM. That is GM, by the way. That is GM. So I have to flip it. The GM is 1/3 of OM. So it's 1/3 of 3A plus 3B. So is MG is going to be negative A, negative B. Okay. Getting or not? So AG is coming out to be 3B minus A is 2B and minus 3A and minus sorry. Yeah, it's 4A. Okay. Alright? Yes, I'm doing the right thing. Okay. I figured out AG. Okay. Now I have to find GN. So GN is going to be GN. So GN can be GO, and ON. Okay. So GO is basically, I'm going from bottom to top. So let us first find GO in rough work. Okay. Find GO in rough work. So GO is 2/3 of OM. Okay. And that is basically OG. There's no GO. That is OG because I'm moving from top to bottom. So OG is 2/3 of OM. And OM was 3A plus 3B. So OG is basically 3 gets cancelled, 2A plus 2B. And then GO is going to be minus 2A and minus 2B. Okay. So minus 2A minus 2B plus ON. ON is, I'm coming from bottom, from top to bottom, so it's 3B. So finally I'm getting a negative 2A and a B. Getting or not? No. What is the mistake? Minus 2A. Should be B minus 2A. Yep, it's coming, right. Okay. Okay, so now let's find AN. We have got everything? Okay. So do we have AN with us? Do we have AN with us? Mm-hmm. Okay. So let us find AN. So what is AN going to be? AG plus GN. So this is coming out to be 2B minus 4A minus 2A plus B. What is the final answer? 3B minus 6A. Okay, that's 3B minus 6A. Alright. And let us find the value of AN by another way as well. So AN can be AO plus ON. Isn't it? So AO is negative 6A. Yeah, so it's negative 3. Okay, so it's proved. Will require practice. Okay? Will require practice. 2 or 3 more questions. Exactly. तो बेटा वो आपको इंट्रो दिया था मैंने, वो 1 marker questions थे. This is a real value. Okay. Zainab, beta, did you figure out what questions were there? Let me go
Yeah,
on.
sir. We did winter 23 paper, summer 23 paper, and summer 24 paper.
Okay. Usually you'll find these questions in paper 4, by the way. These difficult ones. Paper 2 questions are really easy. You'll find something easier, okay? You do have the topical past papers. Please go and practice today, okay? It's a request. Okay, beta, like, believe me, ask the school going students how much time they have taken in school to complete this whole thing. A whole month, to be honest.
Sir, first, why did they only do 1 day? And that 1 day I didn't even go to school.
Okay, this one. Look here. It's a 4 marker, okay? It's a 4 marker. Bismillah. Bismillah, bismillah, bismillah. Okay. Okay. First of all, you guys are going to sit and look at the things they have given you and try to like label the diagram. This is the first step. OMN is a triangle. OM is equals to A, ONB, R is a point on MN such that MR is to RN 3 upon 2. So do this thing first, okay? MR is to RN. So it's this one is 3 over 5, okay? Because 3 is for MR and the total parts are 5. And this is 2 over 5 of the whole length MN. Okay? First of all, let us calculate MN. Okay, because we have to find OR, and OR is basically going to be a part. It's really easy. This 3 marker is really easy. So who is going to tell me what is going to be the expression for MN? Yes, please. Yes, MN. Okay, why I'm choosing? The question is, sir, why, what made you choose MN? Because OR is going to a part of the 2 triangle. It either is OMR or ONR. For both of them, I need NR, okay, or like MR. So that is a part of MN. Make an expression for MN. Yes. Who's going to tell? MO plus ON. Okay. MO, so I have to move downward. So it's negative A. ON is plus B. Okay. Now my MN, my MR is going to be 3 over 5 of negative A plus B. And my Rn is 2 over 5 negative A plus B. So I have to figure out the value of OR. Okay, so OR. Who's going to make expression for OR? You can either choose both any of the triangle. So OR, yes please. OR can be all the way OM. Yeah, yeah, it can be. Or any of them. OM is A and MR is minus 3 upon 5A plus 3 upon 5B. Okay? 5 ones are 5 minus 3 is 2 over 5A plus 3 over 5B. Done? Okay. NT is equals to this and OT equals to this. Find the value of K and the value of C. Okay. So let us figure out what is NT. Okay. NT. Okay. So we have got OR. We've got OR. OR is how much? OR is 2 upon 5A plus 3 upon 5B. Okay. So that is OR. So basically OT is basically a part of this. So what I can say is OT, if I can just multiply this with a constant, okay, and it's OR, like a certain ratio of OR, isn't it? OT, okay. And the next one is NT, okay. NT is 4A plus KB. So I have to find the value of, okay, NT is going to be NT is basically, okay, NT is, yes, NR plus RT. Okay. Okay. So OT is basically, OT is ON plus NT, isn't it? And OT is also, there is a constant. Let's say the constant is C. Okay, C is the better one. देखो OT is basically a part of this. Like if I extend this, okay, so OT का एक part है OR. A part of OT is OR. So I can say OT multiplied by a constant will give me OR, because OR is the only known triangle, known vector that's known to me. Okay, so that I can say it's 2 over 5A plus 3 over 5B. Okay, and OT is going to be ON. OT is going to be ON plus NT. OT is going to be ON. No. OT is going to be ON. Yeah, plus NT. It's fine. Do I know the value of ON? Yes, I do. What about NT? NT they have given to us 4A plus KB, isn't it? In the question. Yeah. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. We don't know K, neither we don't know, we don't know C as well. Okay. OT is B plus 4A plus KB equals to 2 over 5 AC and 3 over 5 BC. Okay. All right. So now we are going to compare. Okay. A with A. Yeah, compare the left side and the right side. A with A and B with B. Okay. So 4A equals to 2 upon 5 AC. Okay. So A and A gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Exactly. 2 fives are 10. So C is 10. Okay. Yes. Okay. C is 10. Now the B's. B plus KB equals to 3 over 5. B, C I already know. Okay, it's 10. So B plus KB is equals to 6B. I can take B common. So it's 1 plus K equals to 6B. B's gets cancelled out. K is going to be 5. Okay. And then you have to find MT. Okay. So MT is going to be all the way, like we have to move around for MT. Okay. Like it's not always that we have 2 vectors. There can be multiple vectors. So MT is basically MR. Sorry. MT is going to be MO. Okay. And then ON and plus NT. Okay. Yes, of course. Because there is no direct relation of MT. Okay. So MT is going to be MO, starting from M, ending at O, then starting from O, ending at N, and then starting from N and ending at T. So look at this. The first and the last letter should be the same. Okay. So MO is minus A, ON is B, and NT we just calculated. Okay, NT. So NT is 4A plus 5B. So it's 3A plus 6B. Bingo! We got so many marks. Right. Exactly. So I have to end up the lesson over here. Tomorrow in the lesson, half of the class will be for this, and half of the class will be for another topic. Okay. So you guys are going to join at, all of you are going to join exactly at for Pakistan Standard Time. You're going to join at 3:30. That is going to be 6:30 Malaysian time, 1:30 KSA,
2:30 Dubai.
2:30 Dubai time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Can you send us the group?
Of course, yes. All the working will be sent on the group, all the notes, and the class recording as well.
Also, tell me when you're free for like an individual lesson.
You can stay with me right now.
No, not right now because I want to do past papers and then come up with doubts and then come back to you.
So it could be late night then, after my Tarawih. Only then I'll be free.
Okay, fine.
Okay? Will you be there?
Yeah, I'll be there.
Okay, no worries. Do it, okay?
Okay, bye, sir.
Okay.